Global oil prices surge again as the tensions around the Strait of Hormuz intensify. Iran warns that a U.S. blockade could push prices even higher, while President Donald Trump acknowledges that oil prices may stay high through November in time for the midterm elections. Suh-young has this report.
After ceasefire talks collapsed, Trump's next move was to announce a U.S. blockade targeting Iranian ports and vessels.
We have a blockade going into effect. That'll be 10 o'clock tomorrow. Other nations are working so that Iran will not be able to sell oil.
With Iran closing off a key shipping route and Washington's blockade, traffic through the Strait of Hormuz has become increasingly disrupted. Brent crude futures jumped 8.7% from the previous session to above $103 a barrel. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude also surged by roughly 8.7%, nearing $105 a barrel. President Trump is also said to have acknowledged that oil prices may stay elevated through the fall, a rare acknowledgement of a potential political fallout from the war. Meanwhile, Iran responded with a stark warning on rising fuel prices. Iran's parliament speaker, Mohammad Bagher Khalibaf, posted on social media that Americans soon will be nostalgic for paying $4 to $5 a gallon for gasoline, telling people to enjoy the current pump figures. Before the war, the average price of gasoline in the U.S. had remained below $3 a gallon. But by April, prices had climbed above $4 a gallon nationwide. Experts also warned that Washington's blockade could send energy prices even higher and prolong market instability.
I don't think Trump has any escalatory paths out of this war if he moves forward with this blockade. Moreover, if he really goes forward with all of this, then it is very likely that the Houthis will close off this the Red Sea as well. That's another 12% oil flow globally that will be lost, together with the 20% that has been jeopardized by what the Iranians are doing in the Strait of Hormuz. That would shoot up oil prices, probably closer to $200.
The latest spike in tensions has also sent European natural gas prices sharply higher. Gold slipped as fears of a prolonged conflict fueled broader market volatility. Spot gold is currently trading at around $4,700 an ounce. With no sign of breakthrough in negotiations, markets are bracing for even greater volatility. Suh-young, Arirang News.